We're doing a 3,000 watt inverter by Renogy. Renogy's a good company. Oh, I got a bag in the way. Turn it, see if they always get something in the way. Hospital bag. Anyhow, Renogy is a good product to use, and it's the top of the line, and they stand behind their products. I'm not sponsored by them in any way on this form, on this video. Just to let you know. They don't sponsor me or nothing like that. I just know the product is good. It's a Pure-Sine-Wave inverter, and it's 12 volt, like I say, 110 VAC, and 60 hertz. That's American style. And they have different ones for European. Back to the battery situation, you want all these goody tools that you're going to need to use when cleaning and doing the battery the proper way and putting installation of new parts to it. Coming up next.